Hi everyone, welcome to Technology World Hub. My name is Anil. So in this session, I am going to discuss one interview question which I faced in cohorts, that is finding the digits from string. That is, one string consists of alphanumeric, but I want to only fetch the digits. Let's do that. Okay, let me open IntelliJ. Yeah, so if you see in the IntelliJ, let's say there is a input that is consist of alphanumeric, but from this I just want to get only digits. Okay, let's do that. So how I can do this? Basically, there is a replace function in string. With that replace all function, I can able to achieve that. So let's take one more string. Let's say string digits is equal to input dot replace all. Then what I will do here, I will basically replace all the, yeah, basically I will replace, one second. Yeah, see, it contains all the alpha numeric. So what I will do, I will replace all the alphas and put it as a blank space. I mean, say, means nothing. Okay, that means if I will remove all the, let's say, alphabets, then only digits will be remaining, right? So minus double slash capital minus D, in the sense it will replace all the values which are other than all the characters other than digits. That means only digits will remain. Okay, so if I'll print this System.out.println digits, so it will print only digits, right? Let's do that. Okay, so here the only digits is 2 3 5 6. Okay, it is absolutely working fine. So let's put some other digits in the start. Suppose I put 9, in the middle let's put some 8. Okay, then let's run this. Yeah, 982356, absolutely working fine. Okay, there is, other than this, there is one more method also, one more way we can able to get that. Let me do that also. So how I will do, let me create one string builder. String builder, let's say sp is equal to new string builder. Okay, then what I will do, I will create a for loop for, let's say, int I is equal to 0, I less than, let's say, input I less than input dot length. Okay, then I plus plus. Then what I can do, so I will basically create one second, int I, it should be int I. Okay, so let's back. Okay, I less than input dot length I plus plus. Okay, so now I will just create one char. Let's say c is equal to str dot char add I. Let's say, okay, one second, it will be input, sorry, input dot char add I. Then what I can do, I will write down one if condition, if, let's say, character dot each digit, suppose each, that means if the character is digit, this c, if c is digit, okay, then in that case what I will do, I will just sb dot append of c. I will just append the digit to the string builder, and at the end I will print that System.out.println sb dot toString, because it is builder type, string builder type. I need to convert it into string, so toString. Then if I print this, okay, so see, absolutely working fine. So let's for example remove this. Suppose let's remove this and try to run this. You will see the result. Okay, absolutely working fine. So let's what we can do, let's add something here. Let's say 98. Let's say I will add here something called, let's say 3. Okay, so let me run this. See, absolutely working fine. Okay guys, so this way you can fetch only digits from a string. Okay guys, yeah, so yeah, see, this is the program. Okay, so that's it for this session. Please like it, subscribe it, share with your friends and family. Thank you so much guys.